In this video, I'm going to teach you how to safely clean Tiffany Co sterling silver jewelry. Simply go into the Tiffany Co website, scroll on down to the bottom of the page, click Product Care and Repair, then scroll on down until you find sterling silver jewelry, click Learn More, and then you're going to find Tiffany's recommendation. So apply a small amount of Tiffany's silver jewelry cleaner to a soft cloth, gently rub the silver with the cloth several times, rinse the silver thoroughly in warm water, and then blot the silver and shine your silver with your polishing cloth or mitts. This will remove any of the tarnish and help to restore the shine as well. You can also have your jewelry professionally cleaned if for free in a Tiffany Co jewelry store as well. Now, if you do own a lot of jewelry as well and you'd like to learn some more interesting and maybe some unique facts about jewelry too, make sure to subscribe to That Jewelry Guy.